the 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Dodge prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, front and rear air conditioning, a power rear cargo door, a roof rack, and a split folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 125-point inspection. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.